Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is playing a tape of a lady. She's saying that the corruption begins with Uno. And so, you guys need to go tear down on yourself instead of talking about other people. Now, as you know, Maxine is always listening to something that is pertaining to Lorraine and her group. And so, we know in that what is being said. Now, you guys need to go and catch the video, because in this, the lady is talking a whole lot of things. And as you know, Lorraine has been on top of, well, it has been a saga for Lorraine for the past couple of months, and it's ongoing. So, we'll catch the video now. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And have yourself a wonderful day in this rainy day.
Anything.
Your camp.
They can call them anything.
It's true. Uno tearing down corruption. Uno needs to go tear down uno self. Please, me I beg uno tear down uno self because the corruption begin where we don't know. We Rasta talk. The corruption is within. Uno no see uno corruption at ooze out of uno. Uno don't see it. But uno want come bitch bad people. Good clean Rasta people. And I call Rasta people dirty Rasta. You know you're right out order. I said they can't get over it. I'm in shock. And lifers, you know my mouth already. Me no hold back nothing, me no hold not.
Listen, guys, we are not here to fight some on my page. We're not here to do that. Don't make my granddaughter wake up. Don't make her wake up. Okay? We are here to fight the enemies, not to fight who's on the page. All right?
Nobody's immune. No. Everybody gonna get it who say something. If you say something about me, I mean, I like it. Okay, I say something about you, and I know I said it, and you come cuss out me class, but just to keep quiet and say, well, you know what, they didn't say it, so you know what, let me shut up. It's true. But in this case, Michelle, you interrupted Lorraine. Lorraine was giving a good presentation. Yes, she was, guys. Yes, she was.
Rihanna already take care of it. Rihanna take care of it long time.
Just quiet, nice, until this big mouth comes on. Michelle, Lorraine, anytime she comes on your show, your platform, continue to cut her off. Me, I tell you that. Just cut her off. It's true. You're right. Hold on, Michelle. Hold on, Michelle. Hold on. Lorraine, stop cut me off. Stop cut her off, Lorraine. People must think I'm crazy. It's okay, they know. Oh, she going crazy again, the lady, the Rasta woman, yeah. Cut her off. As soon as she start talking, hey girl, just hold on the next car. Just cut her off, Lorraine. Cut her off. And let the next person come chat. Yeah. Anytime she start calling, Lorraine, cut her off. As soon as she start with the mouth, just say, hold on the next car that coming. I know you be trying to do it. Lorraine. You be trying to cut her off, but she's so big and bad and gorilla-ish that you can't even get her off the phone. She wanna, hold on, let me say one more thing. Oh, you all wanna come for people? Yeah? Alright. Cut her off. I used to hate when you did it. But now, Lorraine, you very smart. I'm giving you kudos, girl. Yes, I is, girl. I'm giving you some kudos, Lorraine. Yeah, go bake those cakes and drive that one over there, Crazy Tina. Yeah, go do those cakes, girl. Bake them, sell them, do whatever, but keep Michelle out of it. Just keep her out of it, because she's hopeless. But yeah, girl, just to get that one all ruffled and upset, do those cakes, girl, and go get them off and let that one have a heart attack, because she gonna have a heart attack, that one, because now it's gonna be you and her. It's not gonna be homegirl in Jamaica. It's gonna be you and that one over there. Oh, it's gonna be exciting. All these cakes and stuff that's baking. Lord! Hey! Yeah, Lorraine, so do your thing, girl. Yeah, go bake those cakes for that one. Right? And you sell them to your people then, right? Do your thing, girl. Nobody's gonna hold that against you. Do your stuff. No, everybody, you know, the world is big. You can't be it. Me not buy none, but me I say you can bake. Bake your cake, then I sell them and get the one upset. Maxine, what's her name? The non-cupcake baker? Get her all riled up because now you in on her territory. Good move, Lorraine. Good move. Now Michelle, when she starts calling, this is what you're gonna do, Lorraine. Soon as she start chat, call her. Hold on, Mitchie. Hold on, speaker. And next caller come in and let that call come in and leave that bitch hanging. Yeah, that's what you do to her, Lorraine. But don't do it right away because she's gonna think you're listening to me, right? And you don't want her to think that you're listening to me. So give it a little time. Just wait. And as soon as she starts, me want to say something about, me want to address an issue. You say, okay, go on speaker. And as soon as she start talking, you say, hold on speaker, next caller come in and just take the call and leave her hanging. Bitch. I know you guys are loving this right now. I know you guys are. You guys are so messy. You just love this stuff. You just don't want me to stop. You want me to keep going on and on and on. It's been a while, right? I know. But you know, when they get me upset how I do, I'm not playing with nobody because I'm not afraid of none of them. Right? They want you to be afraid of them. You're not afraid of none of them. Good? So this dirty Rasta is going to address you, Michelle Barron. Don't forget, name calling, we are doing.
Okay, I'm back.
Name calling, right?
What's going on right now?
Don't get it twisted, dudes. Don't get it twisted. I'm a dirty Rasta and you're?
What is going on?
Don't get it twisted. I'm taking it like a G. I'm a dirty Rasta. You take it like a G, because you Sharon. Why I keep saying Sharon?
Yes, Anne-Marie, it's true. Because Michelle's so dirty and nasty.
It just keeps popping up all of a sudden. But anywho.
Maxine, remove my tool also.
Barron.
Oh, you want me to take off your badge? That's what you're saying, Top Boss?
Yeah.
You want me to take off your banner?
We're going to go over this a little more because you know I'm smoking the spliff and having the coffee as the dirty Rastas do. We like our weed and coffee and stuff, right? Ethiopian coffee.
I didn't did her. She was, whoever it was cussing in the chat. I have an admin who do all of that stuff. I didn't do it. So you want me to remove yours?
Meanwhile, the people them gone to school. The whole of them, because me have like, Lord of God, the amount of people me have, me don't know how.
You can't accuse me of stuff that I didn't do. I just realized that what is happening. Remove it.
But them I call people name.
You can't accuse me of stuff. I have admin who do stuff for me.
Yes, we're being insensitive today. We're being very insensitive today, Kia. Also insensitive. Yes.
I don't want any cussing in the chat. My granddaughter don't play that game.
Cause when them I call people dirty Rasta, them don't know about sensitivity then, right? So when them dish it out, they must be able to take it like a G. See how I'm taking it? I'm going buck wild. Kind of call me, but I'm going buck wild. But you see how I'm taking it, right? You see how I'm taking it? See it? This is me being called a dirty Rasta. So, I don't like to be called a dirty Rasta, right? By anyone on social media or off. Okay, social media. But because the Jamaican culture has always been that way when it comes to Rastas, they love to call them dirty Rasta, and that them love to call them because they must feel like they don't wash your ear. I don't know, back in the days of the Rasta business, you know. But you know things change. But I don't appreciate it because I can guarantee you that if you are in association with some Rastas, you're a two-faced hypocrite because that's what you really feel about them, not just me. You just said that about me because I'm on social media, but that's the way you really feel about Rastas, that them dirty. Angela, yeah, girl. The guy, but this is coffee. It's too early for liquor. Oh no, but for Michelle Barron, this is the time she's, begins drinking her liquor.
Yes.
Imagine.
Because she has to go out at 12 o'clock at night time.
Intoxicated individual who drinks before she comes on social media. I mean, she drinks hard liquor. I drink red wine as per scriptures,
Yeah, you can drink that a day.
Wine,
a glass of wine.
I have my Hennessy and stuff,
Oh, Michelle drink Hennessy.
At home, I drink.
And chase it with boom.
Okay. When I sing, I have a glass of red wine, the karaoke.
Michelle drink Hennessy and chase it with boom.
Doing gin and juices before they come live. They slugging down shots of gin and stuff, and they this is what you get. So I suppose at that time she was highly under the influence of alcohol, and that's where the dirty Rasta. I mean, associate with dirty Rasta, yeah. So twang in your blurred not face, and that you forget. Me being a dirty Rasta is good, because I don't have a polluted womb. Oh yeah, girl, yeah. Now, where did I hear all of this from? Where did I hear this from? I don't know you from anywhere. I don't know you from Adam. So where did I hear that you are barren?
All over social media.
Right here on social media. That was the talk. Right? On social media. Everybody are talking, saying, you're barren. Yeah. So this is what you have to do. Rasta art. Rub dirty like for them. That's right. That's right, Nicole. Because them feel like say, because you're Rasta, you have to act. Operative word. Act. I don't act. Right? This is me in the flesh. You know that already. When me calm, me good. Me good. Me good.
Just bonus split. Just bonus split.
I do stuff, right? But I try not to call people names unless I'm doing something that warrants a little descriptions here and there. Me have a shed, I take 2 drinks. No, it's no. Come on, guys. You know it's coffee, man. Come on. Let Michelle pour the liquor. I don't drink so early in the morning. Me have school, work, homework, work. Me have all kind of things I do. So me can't be intoxicated early in the morning unless me are working at the people them law firm. I empty out the waste paper basket them and me have me little thingy. Watch out, let me show you. Wait there. And me have me little wait there. Every time I do this thing, okay. Okay, this is Michelle. This is the liquor, right? This is the liquor. Right, this is Michelle. And she pushed the basket. Sir, I can get the basket, thank you. All right, so she emptied out the garbage. And she put it back down. Then she take out all the good thing from her thing and she... yeah, that was good. Oh, God. Fix this out. And then she put it back in her pocket. And then she pushed the card. And then she get the next basket. And then she come back around. And she get the basket and she start by the table. And fix up the people them teeth. And she wipe. And she wipe. Make sure nobody now look. Nobody not looking. Okay, nobody now look. Alright, we take one more. Oh. Okay, good. All right, nobody died. Okay. Okay. That is your work for the day, right? Don't forget that. Alcoholic lady. Good? Me have one too, but me can't take this car work. Me a nurse. Right? But when we feel kind of like we want to drink somewhere, me walk with this here. See how it nice up? Yeah. Me have a little one look like a phone. Let me see if I can find it.
If a woman cannot have a child and does not make her transgender, God did not bless her to bring a life in the world, but she is not less of a woman than the one that our mother is. Right.
Right now, when we broke no money, said the money short, me put some liquor in this. I'm a phone now, I'm a phone. Right, I'm a phone. And me go to the people them party with my phone.
Good morning, Cherise. Good morning, my darling.
That's the phone is not a person, look like phone. Nobody search up the phone because we'll smack them up. Okay, security. Right, okay. So we're inside now. Good, okay, good. So we're inside. Okay, great. Now we're inside. Go to the bar. Let me get a cup of cranberry juice with some ice, please. Thank you. Okay, buy the cranberry juice with the ice and tea. Okay. So you have a mask off somewhere in a corner somewhere. You mask off somewhere.